The delivery guy left the package on the porch, but when he heard a noise from the garage, he thought it was the owner of this house. He shouted that the package was delivered, but it wasn't who he thought.
He was in your garage? You scared the shit out of you. Was he in the garage?
I have heard of a guard. Yeah. Just run!
C'est à la maison. Ah.
This dog scared him so much that he chose the worst possible strategy in this situation. This time, the animals didn't just attack the delivery driver, they tried to steal his car!
Dad?
Just grab him.
I can't. He's gonna die.
He'll come out.
Might want to shut the door.
Thanks for the laugh, guys. Yep, have a good one.